Hello everyone, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon. Also, if you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. But don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So today we are making a video series on Microsoft Word, and if you are beginner in Microsoft Word, I think it will be useful for you also, and hoping you will follow my all the video series and you will watch all the video, and hoping you will understand everything about Microsoft Word. And if you get any kind of confusion about Microsoft Word, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer in all the comments, and if you have any kind of confusion, don't hesitate to ask me. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So how can you open Microsoft Word? Just press Windows key plus R. There are several ways to open Microsoft Word, but I'm using this one. So I'm pressing Windows key plus R and the run window will pop up. Then you have to type WinWord, WINWORD, WinWord. Okay, then just press enter, and now my Microsoft Word is opening. So what is Microsoft Word? If you are a beginner in Microsoft Word and you don't know about the Microsoft Word, I'm giving you some introduction about the Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the popular program, which is one of the most popular program to do any kind of typing related works. You can make a book, you can make a newspaper, you can write an article, and if you have any kind of typing related tasks, you can use it, and it's one of the useful program. So after opening this one, so there are lots of templates also available, but I'm choosing this one. Just wait for a moment. I'm choosing the blank document, and you can see this is the interface of Microsoft Word, and I'm telling you about the bars in Microsoft Word. So what is bar? See, there is lots of bars available in Microsoft Word. The first of all is title bar. You can see there is a document one. This is a file name where we are working, and the Microsoft Word, this is the program name, and in my right side there is a minus that is called minimize. If you click here, your Microsoft Word will be minimized, and here is a smart screen. You can make it full screen from here also, and if you want to close your Microsoft Word, you have to click in a close button. Okay, and in the right side you can see there is a save button. You can save your file from here, and there is undo and redo also available, and from here you can see you can customize quick access toolbar. Now my save is activated, undo, redo is activated, and if you want to add more quick access toolbar, then you can choose like this, but it's okay for me, that's why I'm moving on. And you can see below the title bar there is another bar available, that is menu bar. See, there is file menu. Okay, there is home, insert, design, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, developer, and many more options available. And hoping you will follow all the steps. So you can see in every menu there is a sections available. There is lots sections available. See, there is clipboard sections, font sections, paragraph section, style section, and there is lots sections available. Each section have different tasks. Okay, so and we will learn in the future about every sections, and hoping you will understand about it. And if you have any kind of confusions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Okay, so here is our page, and so I'm typing something. So hello everyone, it's me, the page try, and I am making a video series on MS Word for you. Okay, I have typed something about something in my Microsoft Word, and after this, see, so let's talk about the file menu. You can see there is lots option available. First of all is information. If you want to know about your file, you can see there is lots information available. One is size. There is not saved. It is telling us not saved yet. That's why we have to save it. So if you want to save your file, just go to in file, then click in save. Then after that, you can save it in OneDrive also, and you can save it in my computer also. And inside computer there is lots folders available. But and now I'm saving my file in documents. Just wait for a moment, and now you can see I'm saving my files inside the documents folder. And here is, you have to give file name. I'm giving a file name which is the page YouTube 2. Okay, you can see before it was document 1, right? Now it is the page YouTube 2. Okay, and there is another option also available, that is save as. And if you want to change the file name in this condition, you can use it. And so I am saving this one, documents. And if you want to change your name, or you can give a if you have important document, you can give a password also. So I am giving a password tools, general options, and from here you can give a password. So I am giving 123, and okay, and it's telling us confirm password, render password to open. That's why I'm giving 123 again. Okay, now we are saving our file in documents by giving the name the page YouTube 2 and using the password 123, and I'm saving it. Okay, so and another option is close. If you want to close your file, you can use it. Just go to file and then click in close. And after this, if you want to open your file, just go to in file and open, and there is the page YouTube 2 available. You can see it's asking us the password before we use 123, right? That's why it's asking. So I'm typing 123 and okay. If the password is correct, it will open, but if your password is not correct, it will not open. Okay, so now in this time our password is correct, that's why it's opening. And another option is information. Before also I told you about information. If you want to know about the file information, you can use it. See, there is a size of my file. It's 17.0 KB, and I have 1 pages only. I have 19 words, and total editing time is 0 minutes. You can see also. And another option is new. If you want to create a new document, in that case you can use a new document. Okay, and another option is print. It's one of the most important features of Microsoft Word. And if you want to print your document, just go to file and print, or you can directly press Ctrl+P also, but I'm going to file and print. See, you can see in the print preview also in my right side, if I print my file in this time, it will be printed like this. And from the printer you can choose your favorite printer, and after this how many pages you want to print. You can print all pages, or you can print current page only also, or you can give the your desired page number also from here, and you can choose the page size also, and how many copies you want to print. You can give the copies from here. After this you have to click in print, and it will start to print. Okay, and another option is share. So you can share your files in through email also, online also, post to blog also. And but for this you need an internet connection. Without internet connection you cannot share your file. And another option is export. If you want to create a PDF file using Microsoft Word, this is the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. And for this you have to go in export and just click in create PDF/XPS document, and from create PDF/XPS document you can create a PDF file from here. Okay, and one other option is close. Before also we discussed about it. Close, if you want to close your file, in that case you can close it. And another option is account. If you have Microsoft account, in that case you can use it, but you need internet connection for this one. And another option is available. You can see there is lots word option available. General, display, proofing, shape, language, advanced, customize ribbon. You can customize ribbon from here also. Quick access toolbar, before also we discussed about it, and arrange and trust centers, like these lots word options available. So just wait for a moment. I am customizing a ribbon, so I think I don't want a developers, so I want to remove this one, so I will uncheck this one. Just wait for a moment. I'm unchecking this one. Now it's done. You can see my menu bar also reduced. So this was for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping you get some idea about Microsoft Word, and if you have any kind of confusion you can ask me in the comment section. So without any late, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel also. Don't forget to give me a like also. Don't forget to share my video also. Hoping you will give me a subscription. So I'll meet with you with another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And we are making a video series on Microsoft Word. Hoping you are enjoying my video series. And if you want to know more about Microsoft Word, you can ask me in the comment sections. And if you have any kind of confusion and you have any kind of suggestions, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Before we talk about the file menu, and today we are discussing about the home menu and its sections. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. And before we talk about the file menu, and if you want to watch that video, you can go in my video playlist and you can check that one. So there are lots sections available inside home menu. There is clipboard sections, another is font section, another is paragraph sections, and style section and editing sections. So there is the first section is clipboard section. You can see there is. So first of all, there is a okay, just wait for a minute. And if you want to copy your file, what do you for this, what can you do? So first of all, you have to select your all the files. Okay, then just go to in copy, or you can directly press Ctrl+C also. So after this you can paste it. Just click in paste. See, now it's pasting, but before pasting you have to just copy it. Okay, and another option is cut. If you want to cut your file, you have to select that one. How many files you want to delete, you have to select. After this, just go to in cut, or you can directly press Ctrl+X also. So I am just clicking in cut. Now see, it's gone. And sometimes if you lose some important file, in that case, if you want to bring that one again, you have to go in undo. See, there is undo cut available, or you can directly press Ctrl+Z also. Another option is redo, and if you want to remove that one again, in that case you have to use redo. See, it's gone. You can bring it from the undo and you can remove it by redo. Okay, thank you. And another option is format painter. Just wait for a moment, I'll discuss about it later. And another section is font sections available. So the first option is font. From here you can just wait for a moment, I'll delete this one. So from here you can change your font. Just wait for a moment. You have to select this one. Just go to in font and you can choose your favorite font from here. So I am choosing this one, OCR A extended font. See, it's giving me a unique styles. Every font have unique styles. You can use it and you can make a beautiful documents using the font. And another is font size. You can increase and decrease your font size from here. See, there is lots of size available, and from here also you can increase size, and from here you can decrease your size. Okay, another is change case. There is lots of option available. If you want to modify your text, if you want to convert your text from small letter to capital letter, in that case you have to go in change case. So there are lots of option available in change case. You have to use it to make a quick task. So from here, if you want to change the small letter in capital letter, in that case what can you do? First of all, you have to select your text, and after this go to change case and just click in uppercase. Now see, now all the small letters changed into the capital letter. And if you want to change your capital letter into small letter, in that case also you have to go in change case, just click in lowercase. Now it's done, it's completely done. My all capital letters are changed into the small letter. You can use each options in every task. Okay, and if you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section about the change case. And another option is clear formatting. Just wait for a moment, I'll tell you about the clear formatting later. Okay, there is bold, italic and underline also available. These are one of the popular style ever on this planet. If you want to make your text bold, just you have to select it and just click in B, or you can directly press Ctrl plus B also. And another option is italic. If you want to make your letters italic, then you have to click in I. Now it's done. You can see our text is already changed into italic. It's giving us a unique style. And if you want to use underline, you have to select this one and just go to in U. See, now in our text there is an underline. Okay, and from the side of the U, you can see there is lots underline styles available. You can use it also as for your requirement. I think you will use it. And there is another option available, that is strike through. And if you want to use it, just select your text and just click in strike through. Now it's done. And another option is subscript. And just wait for a moment. When you are typing science related things, in that case I think you can use it. If you want to make it down the 2, just go to in subscript. Now see, it's completely done, right? And when you are typing the formula of mathematics, just wait for a moment. I am typing a square minus b square, but it's normal, right? And if you want to make in the upside, just select it and go to superscript. Now it's done. And just select it and go to superscript. Now it's already completed, and you can use it also when you are typing mathematical formulas. And another option is text effects. There is lots option available. You have to select your text and just go to in text effects. There is lots text effects available. If you want to use it, just choose these all the text effects. You can use it. Okay, and inside the text effects there is lots option available. One option is outline. You can change the outline color also from here. Okay, and you can use the weight, and you can increase and decrease size line size from here. Okay, and dashes, and there is a lots styles available. And another option is shadow. You can use it. And another option is reflection also available. Another option is glow, number styles, literature, stylistic shade. There are lots styles available, lots effects available. You can use it in your documents as per your requirement. Okay, and another option is highlight color. It's one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. If you want to highlight your any kind of text, you have to select, and after this just go to in highlight color, and from the arrow you have to choose the your favorite color, and in this case I am choosing the yellow color. See, now it's already completed. My making a video is highlighted. So if you want to remove this one, just you have to select this one, and you have to go again in the highlight color and just make it no color, and it's done. Okay. And another option is font color. If you want to change your font color, in that case you have to use it. Just select your text, and from here you have to go in the font color, and from here you can change the font color from here. Okay, now see, my text color is already changed. Okay. And another section is the paragraph sections. It's one of the most important features of Microsoft Word, and one of the most powerful sections of Microsoft Word. And the first option is bullets and numbering. If you want to create a list, in that case you have to use this feature. So I am making a list. Just wait for a moment. I am making the parts of computer. Okay, parts of computer. And first of all, the first option is RAM, CPU, okay, motherboard, hard disk. Okay, it's okay for me. And after this I'll select all this one, and I'll click it in the bullets. Now you can see in my left side there is a bullets available, and you can change it from the bullets library also. There is lots of bullets available in the library, and you can choose your favorite bullets, and from here you can use the numbering also, and you can give lots of numbering option also from here, from the numbering library. You can make it ABC 1 2 3 also, and you can use it in Roman style also, as per your wish. Okay. And from here also multi-level list also, it will work also like bullets and numbering. And another option is increase indents and decrease indents. It's if you have a paragraph, okay, just wait for a moment. I'm making two paragraph. See, there is two paragraph available, right? And if you want to give a space in your paragraph, in that case you can use it. So if I increase the indents, you can see my paragraph space is increasing, right? In my left side there is a space. And if you want to decrease this one, you can decrease this one from here. Another option is sort available. You can sort your paragraph using these options. Another option is sort and show and hide. Okay, if you click here, you can see there is the symbol is coming in our screen, and its meaning, if you give some enter, it will show like this. And you can see here is also enter, here is also enter, here is also enter. And if you want to see where do you have give a enter, then in that case you can use it. So I'm turning off the show height options. And another option is align left right center. If you want to make it now see, we are in the left side, right? And if you want to go if you want to put your text in the right side, you have to just click in the align right. See, now our parts of computer in our right side of our page. And if you want to make it in center, just click it in the center, and you can make it in the left side also. And another option is justify when you are typing, and in that case if you want to put all the lines in a balance, in that case you can use the justify. Okay. And another option is line spacing. Okay, just wait for a moment. Just you have to select this one, and how much space you want to give in your lines. See, if you want to increase and decrease from here, you can use it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. And another option is shadings available. And shading also, if you want to give the background colors,
in your paragraph, in that case you can use it. You can use your favorite color from here, so I am choosing this color. And if you want to remove the shading color, you can use same options. From the no color you can remove it. And another option is borders. It's one of the amazing features of Microsoft Word. From here you can give lots of border styles. So first of all, there is a bottom border. If you want to give a border in your bottom side, in that case you can use it. If you want to give a border in top side, you can choose a top border. And if you want to give in left side, left border. If you want to give in right side, right border. And if you want to remove no border, if you want to give all side border, if you have to choose all borders. And if you want to give only in outside border, you have to choose the outside border. There is lots of option available. Okay, and if you want to give a horizontal line, in that case you have to click here and just you have to choose a horizontal line. See, a horizontal line is in my page. And one of the amazing feature is draw table. You can draw table also from here. See, you can draw table from here. Okay, but we'll talk about table in future also. Okay, just wait for a moment. And another option is view grid lines. We can see the grid lines in our page from here. Just wait for a minute. You can see the grid lines from here also. See, there is a grid lines. Okay, and another option is borders and shading. This is one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. You can use a page borders if you are creating a certificate, or you are making a important document. In that case you can use a border. You can choose a style from here also, or you can use a page border also from here. See, in the art sections there is nothing, so from here you can choose a border. Just wait for a moment. I am choosing a border and I'm clicking in the OK. Now see, in my page there is a border, right? And it's giving me another kind of looks. And another section is style section. There is lots of styles available, and now we are using normal styles, and each styles have each styles have unique styles. So first of all you have to select it. After this, if you make it heading 1, see, it's giving a unique style, right? And if you choose a title, see, it's giving unique style also, so you can also use it. And from here you can make your own style also, and you can clear formatting also. Before also we talk about clear formatting, right? And if you increase and decrease size, and if you want to make this text like before, in that case you can use clear formatting. See, before also it was like this, right? And another option is find. If you want to find your any kind of text, in that case you can use it. See, if when I'll click in the find, in that and after this the navigation pane is open, and from here you can search your file. You can search your words. See, if I want to my own name, the page, see, it's showing my name in my document. It's highlighting the color. Okay, and another option is available, replace. If you want to change your name, then in that case you can use it. If you want to change your any kind of words, in that case you can use replace. So for this, if you want to make the page is Kiran, in that case you can replace. If you want to replace only one word, you can choose replace. But if you want to replace all the page in Kiran, in that case you can use replace all. Okay, now see, my all the page change into the Kiran. Okay, and another option is go to. So for this you need more than 2 pages. If you want to 8 more pages, you have to press Ctrl plus Enter, or you have to go in insert and blank pages. But in this time I'm using Ctrl plus enter. See, I have 3 pages, right? And for this you have to press Ctrl plus G. Now my go to window is pop up, and from here it's telling me enter page number. Now I'm in the page number 1, and if you want to go in page number 3, just type page number 3 and go to. Now it's done. Now I'm in page number 3. Like this you can use it to go from one page to another page. Okay, another option is select, and if you want to select all the text, in that case you can use it select all. Okay, or you can directly press Ctrl plus A also. And another option is select object. If you want to select your objects, in that case you can use it. And select text with similar formatting. It's mean if you want to select your text which have same fonts, same size and same style, in that case you can use it select text with similar formatting. And another option is selection pane. We'll discuss later about the selection pane. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping you like this video. I think my video is going to be too much long. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping you understand about home menu and its sections. If you have any kind of confusions on this menu, you can ask me in the comment sections, but don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to press in the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So I'm making a video series on Microsoft Word. Hoping you are following my video series on Microsoft Word. So you don't know about the Microsoft Word and how you don't know about the home menu, then in that case you have to check my playlist which is available in my YouTube channel. So I'm opening Microsoft Word from here, and I'll make it full screen and I'll click in blank document. So yesterday we talked about the home menu and the file menu, and you can check that video in my playlist. And today we'll discuss about the insert menu, and there is a first option available, that is cover page. So if you are typing books, then in that case you need a cover page, right? So if you want to create cover page, then in that case you can use the cover page option. There is lots of templates available, and you can choose your favorite template, but I'm choosing this template in this time.
So here you can put the document name, book name. So I'm typing the computer science. Okay, computer science, and the document subtitle is books, one of the best-selling books on planet. Okay, and you can put the date also. So I'm putting the 2019/1/4, and yeah, you can customize whatever you want. So I'm putting here the base, right? Okay, like this. And you can also create a beautiful cover page using the cover page menu. And another option available is blank page. If you want to insert more blank page, in that case you have to use blank page, or you can directly press Control plus enter also. But in this case, in this time, so now I'm using directly blank page. See, before there was only 2 pages, now there is 3 pages available in my document. And another option is page break. It's one of the useful options. You can also use this one. So I'm typing here something, rand is equal to 3,2. Okay, bracket close, enter. See, you can see there is 2 paragraphs inside my document. Okay, see, there is 2 paragraphs, right? And if you want to put those paragraphs in separate pages, then in that case you have to use page break. First of all, you have to put your cursor in where you want to break. After that, just you have to click in page break. See, now it's in the separate pages, right? one is in the inside the page number 3 and another is in the page number 4. And you can use also page break. And another option is table. This is one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. If you want to use the table, then in that case you have to use table sections, right? So just wait for a moment, and I'll insert another page and I'll go in page number 4. So now you can use a table in several ways. There are different options available to insert table. You can directly drag a table like this also, and you can drag you can use insert table also, you can use draw table also, you can use Excel spreadsheet also, you can use quick table also. There are lots of options available to use tables. But in this case I'm using insert table, and it's asking me number of columns and number of rows. So now first of all I'll put the number of columns 4 and number of rows only 6. Okay, after this I'll go to I'll click in the OK. Now see, there is a table available in my document. And if you want to increase the size of table, you have to go in the corner of your table, and from here you can increase and decrease the size of your table. And if you want to increase and decrease the size of your columns, in that case you can increase and decrease from the line. Okay, and whenever you will click inside the tables, then in that case you can see in my menu bar there is a table tools options activated, and when you will click outside of the table it will be disabled. Okay, so that's why first of all you have to click inside the table. Then after this you can see there is a table tools available, and there is 2 options available. One is design and another option is layout. Okay, from the design you can give styles to your tables, and from layout you can work on table layout. So first of all we'll talk about the design. So there is lots of sections available inside the design. One option is table style options, another is table styles. So first of all we'll give a table style. So from here you can choose your favorite table styles. So I'm choosing this one. Sorry, just wait for a moment, I'll undo, and from here I will choose a table style. See, and when you will apply a table style into your tables, and from table style options you can customize it. So you can see here in the header row there is a color. That's why if you remove that tick in from header row, then your color also will be removed. And in my first column also there is a color, right? If you remove that tick, then it will be go. Okay, and another important option is shading. If you want to use different colors in your tables, in that case you have to use shadings. So from shading you can choose your favorite color, and see, if you want to use these kind of colors, in that case you have to use shadings. Boom. And another is border style. If you want to change the line style, then in that case you have to choose the border style. There is lots of border styles available, and from here you can choose the border size also, and you can choose the border size from here also. And from the pane color you can choose the pane color, sorry, it means line color, and from here you have to just drag it. Now see, it's working right now. My table line color also changing, and from the borders you can use it. You can use bottom border, top border, left border, right border, and no border also. Before also we discussed about it in the home menu. From here I think if you have any kind of confusion you can check that video in my playlist also. So I will go to undo, and another options available, layout. From layout you can change the layout of your tables. The first option is select. If you want to select cells, then in that case you have to select cells. And so if you have confusion about cells, so what is cells? Cells means if you combine the column and row, the column and row combination will make a cells. This is also cells, this is also cells, this is also cells, this is also cells, and all the combination of cells will make a table. Okay, so if you want to select the cells, in that case you have to go select and just click in select cell. Now it's done. Okay,
And another options available is if you want to select column, in that case you have to click in select columns. If you want to select row, you have to click in select row. If you want to select whole table, then in that case you have to select table. See, it's already selected, right? And if you want to see view grid lines, you have to on. And if you don't want to see the view grid lines, in that case you have to hide it. And from the properties, you can set your table properties from here, where you want to align your table. You want to align your table in the left side or center or right. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'll type something here. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'll type something. Just wait for a moment. I'm typing. It's called to rand 3,4. It's a amazing feature of Microsoft Word. If you see now, if you want to set the table properties from here, if you want to put this one in center, now see, it's in the center, right? And you can use in this way the table properties. And another option is draw table. If you want to draw table, in that case you can draw this one from like this. Okay. And another option, eraser. If you want to erase your table cells, in that case you have to use eraser. And you can delete cells, columns, rows, and table also. And if you want to insert rows, in that case you have to use insert above. If you want to insert in the above, then in that case you have to use insert above. And if you want to insert a row below, in that case you have to use insert below. And when if you want to insert columns in left side, in that case you have to use insert left. And when you want to when you want to insert column in right side, in that case you have to use insert right. And another section is merge sections. That is one of the most important sections of Microsoft Word. If you want to merge, in that case, so first of all you have to select it, and after this just click into merge cells. Now it's boom, now your cells is merged, right? And another option is split cells. If you want to add more cells in your cells, in that case you have to use split cells. Just click in the split cells. Now see, it's asking us how many columns and how many rows we want to add. So I'm putting three column and 1 rows, and just click in OK. Now see, it's done, right? And another option is split table. If you want to split table, then in that case you have to use the split table. Just click in the split table. Now see, our table is split, right? See, there is now 2 table. And another option is auto fit. If you want to make it small, okay, if you want to make it auto fit window, or if you want to make it fixed column width, in that case you can use it. Okay. Another option is height. You can set the row height, and you can set the column width from here. Okay. And distribute rows. It means if you want to distribute the rows, in that case you have to use this one. See, the one row is bigger than another rows, right? So in that case you can use the distribute rows. If you select all the rows, and if you click in the distribute rows, see, all the row size is in same size, right? And another option is distribute columns. It means if you want to put your columns in same size, in that case you can use distribute columns. You can see, if you if it have in the different size, in that case you can use the distribute columns. And another option is align text align. So you can use you can align your text in the left side also. You can align your text in the top center also. If you want to put your text in the top right, in that case you have to choose this one also. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'll show here also. Just wait, I'll make the size of okay. And from here you can see, if you want to put in the center, top center, you have to click here. If you want to put in the top right, you have to choose here. If you want to put in the center, see, there are lots position available, lots alignment available inside your table. Another option is text direction. If you want to change the direction of your text, in that case you have to use text direction. Sales margin, you can put the sales margin also from here, how many space you want to leave. And another option is sort. If you want to sort your data from here, in that case you have to use sort. And just wait for a moment, I'll show you an example. Here is B, okay, here is C, and here is A. And if you want to put these all letter in alphabetical order, in that case you have to put sort and just click in OK. Now see, boom, and now A, B, C, it's coming on serially, right? Repeat header row, it means if you want to repeat header row, you can use it. Another option is convert to text. If you don't want the table, if you want only the text of the table, then in that case you can use convert to text, and it will remove table and it will give only text. Okay. And another option is formula. Okay, so if you, here is 2 and here is also 2, and if you want to add this one, first of all go to formula. Okay, and there is lots of formula available, and just go to just go to here. See, now it's complete, right? It's you can use this kind of formula from here. Okay, let's now move ahead. Now another option available is pictures. If you want to put picture, in that case you can use the these options. So see, if you want to use this kind of features, just wait for a moment. I think I have a picture inside my computer, so I'm inserting this one. See, now it's done, right? Okay, just wait for a moment. I'm inserting pictures from here. I think I have my own picture inside here. Okay, here is my own picture. Yeah, from here, when you will click inside the pictures, the picture tools will be open in the menu bars, and when you will click outside of the picture, and your pictures tools will be disabled. And inside the picture tools there is lots option available. First option is remove background. If you want to remove background of your photo, in that case you can use this one. See, now my background is gone, but I think it's not good. And another option is correction. You can increase and decrease the brightness and contrast of your photo, and you can make it soften and sharpen also. And another option is color. If you want to change the color of your photo, in that case you have to use the color option. And you can use the artistic effect also. There is lots artistic effects available inside your photo. And another option is compress picture. If you want to change the photo size, then in that case you can use the compress picture. And another option is change picture. If you want to exchange the photo, and in that case you can use the change picture. If you want to change picture, then in that case you can use this you can use these options. Another option is reset picture. When you resize the photo, and if you want to bring the size like before, then in that case you can use reset picture. Now see, just wait for a moment, it's not working. What happened? Maybe, see, now it's done, right? And another section available, picture styles. There are lots picture styles available. You can use it, and you will make different kind of styles available. And you can use the picture border also. Inside the picture border you can choose a color also, or you can choose the size also, and you can change the dashes also. There are lots option available. Okay. And another option is position. From position you can put your image in the top left side, top center, top right, okay, and center, left, center, right, bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. Okay. And another option is wrap text. It's amazing feature of Microsoft Word. If you want to put your image in front of text, then in that case you have to use this option. And if you want to put your image in behind text, in that case you can use this one. You can use square also, type through, top and bottom. There are lots of feature available inside the wrap text. You can also use it. And another option is bring forward and send backward. Just wait for a moment, I'll make it in front of text. Okay, if I type here something, rand 4,4, okay, bracket close, then enter. Now you can see, if I make it in front of text, my photo is in front of the text, right? And if I make it behind text, then my picture is in behind text, right? So you can also use this feature. And okay, we are talking about bring forward and send backward, right? And from insert I'll bring another picture. So I'll go in pictures, and from here, and I think I'll drag this photo, and I'll make it also in front of text. Okay, and you can see there is two photos of mine, and I'll change the color of my photo. See, you can see here there is two photo available inside my document, right? So if I want to bring this photo in forward, then in that case you have to use bring forward. See, my photo is in front of second photo, right? If I click in the send backward, then in that case my photo is in the back side of my second photo. You can use this feature. Okay, another option is selection pane. It's showing how many pictures I have. You can make it show all, and you can make it hide all also. From here you can make it show all also. There are lots of options available. Another option is align. Where you want to align your photo from here. If you want to align in the center, sorry, it's like the same like the position. Okay, another option is group. Okay, we will discuss about group later. And another option is rotate. You can rotate your photo from here, and from the crop you can crop your photo. And just wait for a moment, there is one of the useful option available, that is crop to the shape. And if you want to put your photo inside the shape, in that case you have to use crop to the shape. There are lots of shapes available. If you want to put like this, see, my photo has been cropped inside the shape, right? And from the height and width, you can set the height and width of your photo. Okay, so move on. And another option is shapes, online picture. If you have internet connection, you can download photo from online, but you need a internet connection. It's telling me please wait while we load pictures. It's telling me like that. And another options is shapes. If you want to use a different kind of shapes, in that case you have to use this feature. There are lots of options available. See, there is lots of shapes available. If you want to use a rectangle shape, what to do? In that case you have to go rectangle shape, and just drag it. Okay, and when you will click inside the shapes, there is a drawing tools will be open. And if you want to use triangle, what to do? You have to go in triangle shape, and just you have to drag a triangle like this. Okay, and you can customize the shape style from here also. You can edit shape also, you can change shape, you can edit shape also from here. Just wait for me, I'm changing the, see, now my shapes is changing. Okay, another option is draw text box. You can draw a text box, and inside the text box you can make identity card, you can make visiting card, you can make lots stuffs. And using shapes also you can create different kind of designs. Okay, okay, so move on. And another option is smart art available. Smart art arts also one of the useful option of Microsoft Word. If you want to use diagrams, in that case you have to use smart art. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'm using smart art, and inside the smart art there are lots of smart art graphics available. So some of them is list, process, cycles. Okay, lots option available. So I am choosing the list. Okay, from here I am clicking in the OK. And when you will click inside the smart art, then the smart art tools will be open inside the menu bar. Okay, and so from this there are two options available. One is design, another is format. And from the design you can give a styles, unique styles to your smart art. From the change color you can give a color also. Okay, there are lots of styles available. There are lots option available. Okay, just wait for a moment. I am choosing. Just wait for a moment. And I think I need to choose this photo. Choose this color. And from here you can choose the layout also. Okay, you can change the layout of your smart art from here. And you can see in the create graphic sections you can add a shape also. See, there are lots if you want to add more shapes inside your smart art, then in that case you have to use. And you can use bullets also. You can use text pane. See, if you have text pane, you can insert text from here also. Okay, it will be make more easy to use smart art. And another option is demote. You can use this demote, and you can make it promote also. Okay, another option is right to left. You can go in there, right to left. Other options are move down. Okay, and you can make it move down also. Okay, you can put it move up also. Okay, it's one of the useful option. And another option is format. Okay, and from the format, see, there is lots option available. You can change the shape also. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller. Okay, and from the shape style you can give a lots styles. Okay, and from the shape fields you can give lots shape fields styles. And from the shape outline you can give lots shape outline also. And from the weight you can increase the size of the line. And you can from the dashes you can give a style to your line. Okay, and we'll discuss about the word style later. And the add-on sections and the size section is same like before. Okay, another option is chart. Okay, it's one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. If you want to use chart, in that case you have to click in the chart. And from here there are lots charts available. One is column, line, pie, bar, area, xy, scatter. Lots charts available. But if you want to put the column chart, what to do? Because first of all you have to click in the column and just click in the OK. Now it's done. Just wait for a moment. It's inserting a chart. And from the Excel you can modify your data also. If you modify the data from here, then I think my chart will be also changed. See, it's done. So you can also use the chart, and you will when you will click inside the chart, there are two options available. One is design, another is format. From the design you can give a different kind of styles to your chart. And from the format you can give lots effects also. Okay, so you can also use these features. And another option is apps for office, but for this you need an internet connection. And another option is online video. From the online video also you can use online video inside your document. Okay, and another option is hyperlinks. From the hyperlinks you can links to file. So if you want to give a link inside your document, first of all you have to select your document and just go to in hyperlinks. And from the hyperlinks you have to choose another document. So I'm opening this one. Just click in the OK. See, the links is links is here, right? And from here you have to click Control plus click, and it will be open the another document. So you can use the hyperlinks like this. Okay, just wait for a moment. And another options is bookmarks. If you want to create bookmarks, in that case you have to use bookmark. So just wait for a moment. I'm typing something. It's called to rand 4,5. Okay, see, there is a document inside my document, right? There is some text inside my documents. So if you want to create bookmarks inside your document, what to do is, first of all, you have to select a document. So I'm selecting click insert, and I'll go to bookmark, and I'll give a name of a bookmark. So I'm 8. So I'll go in another page, and video provides, I'm making also another, so B and 8. So now see, I'm in the page number 6, right? And if I go in bookmark, and if I want to go in bookmark B, in that case I want to click into go to. See, now I'm in the page number 7, right? So it's the benefit of bookmarks. Okay, so another option is cross reference. It's one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. From here you can use lots of reference type. One is heading, bookmark, footnote, endnote, equation, lots of reference types available. But in this case I'm using a bookmark, and from the bookmark and see, there is a insert reference to what kind of reference you want to use. You want to use bookmark text or page number, paragraph number, lots of option available. But in this time I'm using the bookmark text. So inside my bookmark there is 2 bookmarks. One is A, another is B. So from A I'm choosing this one. So from A, just I'll select the A, and I'll click in the insert. See, now inside A there is a click insert word available, right? So this is the power of cross reference. So if I want to use the page number of the bookmark A, just select the A, and you have to choose the page number from here, and just click in the insert. See, it's in the inside the page number 5. So it's the benefit of cross reference. Another option is comment. If you want to give some comments inside your document, in that case you have to use comment. So I am giving a comment also. This is my first paragraph. Okay, now it's done. See, you can see I give a comment inside my document. This is my first paragraph. Okay, another option is header and footer. This is one of the useful options when you are typing a book. Yeah, it means when you will put a header in one page, it will be apply in all page. Okay, so first of all I'll go to in headers, and there is lots of templates available for header also, but I'm choosing this one. And see, and it's telling me type here, and from here I am typing something. So I'm typing computer science book. That's why I need to type here, and inside the footer also I'm typing something by the page right. It's the writer name, right? So after this I need to close this one. See, you can see so now now I put my header and footer inside the page number 5, right? Now see, it's in all pages. It's applied in every pages. So it's the benefit of header and footer. Another option is page number. If you want to insert page number, in that case you have to use this one. So first of all you have to go to in page number. There are lots of options available where you want to paste your where you want to insert your page number. You want to put in the top of the page or bottom of page, in the page margins, or in the current position. There are 4 options available, but I think I need to put in the bottom of page, and there are lots of templates available, but I'm choosing the right side. Okay, now see, the page number also already applied in every pages, right? It's one of the useful options when you are typing a book. In that case it will be very useful. And And from here, one secret also available inside the page number. There is a format page numbers. Now I'm using the number format 1 to 3, right? And from here you can make it ABC also, you can put Roman also. There are lots of options available. Okay, so this is the secret of page numbers. Another option is text box. Before also we talk about the text box. Okay, inside the shape there is a draw text box, right? And same like this, we can use a text box, and there are lots of templates available, but you can use directly draw text box. And from here you can draw a text box, and inside the text box you can use you can type a text, or you can use it in different types of work. Okay. And another option is available, quick parts. It's one of the roast feature of Microsoft Word. I don't like it because it's telling us the quick parts, but I think it's not useful to us. So you can see from the auto text you can use lots type of words. If you want to use best regards, you have to go in auto text, and you have to go in certified mail. See, now our text is inside our document, but I think it is the waste of time. If you have a good typing speed, then in that case you can type like this, certified. Okay, certified mail. It's same like, but if you don't want to type, in that case you can go inside the quick parts, and there is lots option available. Another option is document property. If you want to use lots document property, in that case you have to go inside the document property. From the author you can use author. Okay, and from the category you can use a category also. And there are lots options available inside the quicks, and you can use a field also, but I think it is not useful to us. And another option is wordart. If you want to use 3D text, in that case you have to use wordart. So first of all, just you have to go in wordart, and you can choose your favorite wordarts, but I'm choosing in this case this one. Okay, from here I need to click, so I'm writing the page right. Okay, so when you will click inside the wordart, and our drawing tools will be open, and from here you can give a unique style. Okay, and from here you can fill the color also, and from here you can give a text outline also. And from here, one of the useful option, text effects. From here you can give shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation. If you have watched my video previous, if you watched my previous video, before we also talk about the text effects in the home menu, right? See, here also text menu available, but there is no transform available. But inside the wordart style there is a text effects and transform available. From here you can give a unique kind of styles. From here, see, there are lots option available. There is lots transform available. And another option is just wait for a moment, and another option is drop cap. When you are typing a newspaper, and in that case you can use a drop cap. First of all, you have to select a word and just click in the drop cap, and you can choose a drop cap like this, but you have to choose. Another is signature line. When you are typing a letter, or when you are typing an application, in that case you can use signature line. And from here, just wait for a moment, I am typing managing director, the page try, and I'll click in the OK. Now see, our signature line is available inside our document. Another option is date and time. If you want to use a date and time, just you have to click in the date and time, and there are lots date and time formats available. And from here you can choose date and time. See, now our date and time is inside our document. Another option is object. If you want to use another program files such as Microsoft Word,
if you want to, if you have idea about Aero Photoshop, you can use it. If you have idea about Microsoft Excel, Corel Draw, there are lots softwares available. But if you know and if you can use that kind of software, you can use another software file inside your document. Okay, and another option is equation. It's one of the useful options in Microsoft Word. When you are typing a mathematical equation, in that case you can use this one. So there are some of the template also available. This is ready-made formula. And if you want to use your custom equation, in that case what to do, just you have to go insert and just click inside the equation, and now see it's telling us type equation here. And inside the type equation here, when you will click inside the type equation here, our equation tools will be open inside our menu bar. And there are lots of options to make an equation. First of all, the symbols. There are lots of symbols available. And another options, just wait for a moment, insert and equations. Now see there are fraction available, there is script available, radical available, integral available. There are lots of options available, and operator also available. You can use it to make your custom equations. And another option is symbol. If you want to use symbol, just you have to go in symbol, and there are lots of symbols available inside your symbol gallery. Just you have to choose your font. So I'm choosing the symbol. See, now from the symbol you can use your favorite symbol inside your document. Now see my symbol inside my document, right? If you want to increase, just wait, I will increase the size of my symbol, and you can see the color also. See, now it's done, right? Hoping you are enjoying my video series on Microsoft Word, and hoping you understand about the insert menu in this video. And if you have any kind of confusion about the insert menu, then you can ask me in the comment section. Don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I will try to give answer about the insert menu, and if you have any kind of confusion. So hoping you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I'll meet with you another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification. That's why you have to subscribe, and you have to press in the bell icon right now. So today we are discussing about the design menu. So first of all, I'm opening my Microsoft Word. If you have any kind of confusion in my previous video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer of your questions. So I'm opening the Microsoft Word. So from here I'll type something, and yesterday we discussed about the insert menu and home menu, and today we'll discuss about design menu. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, I'll type something here. So it's called to rand bracket open 4,5. It is one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. See, there is lots of sections available inside design menu. One is document formatting, another is page background. So from the themes you can change the different kind of styles. See, there are lots of themes available inside the themes options, and every single themes have their unique styles and unique size and unique font color also. If you choose this one, see, there are lots of styles available, and you can choose your favorite styles from the document formatting sections, or you can create a new style set also if you want. And from the color you can give lots of color also. See, there are lots of styles available right now. And from the font you can change the font. You also know before also we discussed about how can you change your font from the home menu, and from here also you can change, or from the design menu also you can change the font, and another option is paragraph spacing. Before also we discussed about the paragraph spacing in the home menu, right? If you want to increase and decrease the line spacing of your paragraph, in that case you have to use the paragraph spacing, line spacing, right? And from the page layout also you can from the design also you can increase and decrease the paragraph spacing. You can make it compact, tight, open, relaxed, double, and lots of options available here. And or you can make it no paragraph space also, or you can use custom paragraph spacing also from here, and how many space you want to leave, and you can set the font size also from here, and lots of options available here. Okay, and another options available, effects. So from the effects they have unique type of effects available inside here. You can use it, and see every effects have their own styles, and you can use it to make more beautiful your document, right? It's automatically justifying my files, right? See, this one is amazing feature, and if you have less time, in that case you can use it. And from set as default, you can, if you want to use this style in future also, in that case you can use as set as default. And another option is watermark. If you are creating an important document, in that case you have to use watermark. From the watermark there are lots of templates also available. Just wait for a moment. I am using the do not copy. See, inside my document there is a do not copy, you can see also. And now if you want to use your custom watermark, you can use it. So from the custom watermark, so you can change the text. So I'm changing important document, important doc, okay, doc doc, and you can choose the font also, and you can choose the size also from here. And after this you have to make okay, and you can see there is an important document inside my document, right? And another option is page color. If you want to change the color of your page, in that case you have to use page color. From the page color you can choose a different kind of color also, see from here. And before we didn't discuss about how can you remove watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you have to just click in the remove watermark, and the watermark will be disabled. So from here you can choose solid color, and if you want to use gradient color, in that case you have to use fill effects. Now see, there is a one color option available, two color. You can use preset also, you can use texture, you can use pattern, and you can use picture also. And just wait for a moment, I'm using a picture as my background. Just wait for a moment, my file is opening, and I am using my own picture from here. So I think I need to click this one and insert. Okay, now see, my photo is in my background, my page background. So you can also customize your page background using the page color options. And if you want to remove your background, just you have to click no color. Okay, and from the page border you can make you can use the page border also. Before also we discussed about the page border in the home menu. From the home menu also, from the borders and shading, you can use the page border, right? But from here, from design, if you click in the page border, it will directly go in the page border. Before it will go in the borders, but now it will go in the page borders. From here the art is none, so you have to choose the art, and you can set the width size, and I'm increasing the size of my borders. And from here you can choose the color also, which color do you want to make, and after this you have to click in the OK. Or from here you can choose how many area you want to put that border, and you have to choose. And after this, but I'm in this case I'm using a whole document, and after this you have to click in the OK. Now see, my page border is inside my document. So it's the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. If you are creating a certificate or if you are creating notice, in that case you can use this one. So hoping you like my video, and if you have any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer. So I'll meet with you in another video, and if you have any kind of confusion about the home menu and insert menu, you can check my previous video which is inside my YouTube channel playlist. You can check my playlist also. So hoping you are enjoying my video series on Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, thank you. Goodbye. See you again. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So today we'll discuss about the page layout in our Microsoft Word. I'm making a video series on Microsoft Word. You can check my playlist from my YouTube channel, and if you have any kind of confusion in previous video, you can ask me in the comment section also. So today we are discussing about the page layout. How can you set your page layout in Microsoft Word? Is too much easy, and you can ask me in the comment section also. So I'm typing something here. You can see here is a paragraph inside my document, and there are lots of sections available inside the page layout. For the first one is page setup, and the second one is paragraph, and the third one is arrange sections available. Okay, so first of all we will discuss from the page setup. So the first option is margins. The margin means space. So how many space you want to left? See, here is a space of maybe 1 inch. If you click in the margins, see, if I click in the 1 inch, see, in my left side also 1 inch space, and in my top side also 1 inch space. It is also known as a margins in Microsoft Word. So how many space you want to leave in your document, in that case you have to use margins. And another option is available is orientation. From the orientation there is only two mode available. One is portrait, another is landscape. If you want to work in a vertical page, in that case you have to choose portrait mode, and if you want to work in horizontal page, in that case you have to choose landscape. And another option is available size. From here you can choose the size of your document, which size you want to work. If you want to work in A4 size, then in that case you have to choose A4, and there are lots of size available inside the size menu. See, there is A4, A5, A6, lasers, A3, 5x7, 5x8, lots of size available, and you can choose your required size. And another option is columns. It's very useful when you are typing newspaper. See, now I'm using only one columns, and first of all you have to select your document and just go to in the columns and just choose. Now I'm using one column, right? And from here, how many columns do you want to use? I think if you want to use 3 columns, just you have to select 3 column. See, now it's in the 3 column, right? But see, there is only till 3, right? And if you want to what to do for this, you have to go in more columns, and from here number of columns, just you have to put 4 and it will work. Okay, now see, now I have 4 columns inside my document. And another option is breaks available. Before also we discussed about the breaks in the insert menu. See, there is a page break option available. If you want to if you want to put your paragraph in separate pages, in that case you have to use breaks. Just wait for a moment to see. There is, I have 3 paragraphs, right? And if I want to make separate the third paragraph, in that case you have to go breaks and just click in page break. Now see, my third paragraph is in my second page, right? So you can also use this one. And another option is line number. If you want a line number, in that case you can use this one. See, there is a line number, right? There are lots of options available. One is continuous, and another is restart each page. See, there is also And another also available, restart each sections. Now see, they're also available. There are lots of option. You can use the suppress also. Yeah, it's also useful options, but but now I'm making none. Another option is hyphenation. If you want to use hyphen, in that case you have to use hyphenation and make it automatic. Now see, there is yeah, in the reading, in the first line there is a read, right? And in, sorry, just wait for a minute, I'll use the line number. You can see, okay, just wait for a moment, what's happening here? Maybe it's not working. Yeah, you can see here in my 12 number line there is a one read, and in the 13 number line there is a ing. So it's the benefit of hyphenation, and you can also use this one. Another option is indents. Again, it's repeating, but I'm also repeating this one. Indents means if you want to give space before your paragraph, in that case you have to use indents. See, there is a 0-inch space right now, but if you increase this one, see, now our indents is sorry, our paragraph spacing is increasing before our paragraph, right? So you can also use indents. Another option is available is spacing. From here you have to use sorry, if you want to increase and decrease the space of your line, in that case you have to use spacing. So how many space you want to use, or how many, sorry, see, from here you can set the space of your paragraph. And another options available, position. Before also we discussed in the insert menu, but I'm repeating again. See, if I have two shapes, right, and from the position, just wait for a moment, I'll make it the zoom only. How many? I think I should to make it only 50%. Yeah, see, it is my page. And from the format, see, there is a position also available, and you can put your shape in the top left, top center, top right, in the center, right, left, bottom center, bottom right. So you can choose your right position from here. And from the wrap text, where you want to put your shapes, you want to put your shape inside, sorry, in front of your text, or you want to make it behind text. If you make it behind text, from here your shape or your images will be backside of your text. And from the same backward, just wait for a moment, I'll bring another shape also, and I'll make it the zoom 100%. Okay, now see, I have two shapes inside my documents, right? So from here, if you want to from the page layout also same option available. From the first option is bring forward. See, now I have a rectangle shape and another is arrow shape, right? So if you want to bring the arrow shape in front of the arrow shape, in that case you have to use bring forward, or you can directly use bring to front also. And another option available is send backward. See, my rectangle shape is in front of the arrow shape, so if I want to send inside in the back side of the arrow, in that case you have to use send backward. And another option is selection pane available. From the selection pane, see, there is how many shapes available inside my document, it's showing me. And if I want to hide this one, just click in the hide all, and if you want to show this one, just click in the show all. Now see, it's done, right? So from the selection pane you can show or hide your shapes and images. And from the align, you can give the position where you want to put before, like the positions. And another option is group available. If you want to group your shapes, first of all you have to select the objects and just select it,
And from the format you have to go to in group and make it group. Now see, our shape is grouped, right? Now if you want to ungroup it, just go to in ungroup and make it ungroup. Okay, and from the rotate also you can rotate your shape from here, and you can flip also. You can flip horizontally, you can flip vertically also. So it's the benefit of the page layout. You can the most important section is page setup. You have to use this one, and if you don't know how can you page setup, then it will be too much problem for you also. That's why you have to know about the page setups. Hoping you understand about how can you page setup and how can you set your page, how can you set margins, how can you set orientation. So if you have any kind of confusions, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't hesitate to ask me. I will try to give answer of your every questions as per as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll meet with you in another video with a new topic, and thank you so much for once again. Goodbye, see you again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe and you have to press in the bell icon. So today we'll discuss about the reference. Before also we discuss about the page layout, and today we'll discuss about the reference menu. If you have any kind of confusion in my previous video, in that case you can ask me. If you don't know about the another menu, so in that case you can check my previous video also, or you can check my playlist also from my YouTube channel. And today we'll discuss about the reference. So it's one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. It is very useful options. So how can you use the reference? It's one of the best features of Microsoft Word when you are typing a book. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. And there are lots of sections available inside the reference. The first one is table of contents, the second one is footnotes, citation and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities. Lots sections available inside the reference. So we'll start from table of contents. So you can see inside my document there is only one page, right? So if I want to add more pages, you have to press Ctrl plus Enter. Before also I talk about how can you insert more pages. So just wait for a moment. I'll go to here and I'll copy it. Just wait for a moment. I'm copying by pressing Ctrl plus C, and I'll go in second page now, right now. Just wait for a moment, and I'll paste it by Ctrl plus V, and I'll go in another page also, and I'll press Ctrl plus B. Now see, I have 5 pages available, right? 1 2 3. Just wait for a moment. What happened here? So I think it's not pasting here. Oh, what happened? Yeah, just wait for a moment. Yeah, now I have 4 pages available inside my page, right? So here is the first option is table of content. It's telling me that provide an overview of your documents by adding a table of contents. So first of all, I have to make a topic. So I'll make the video provides from add text. I'll make it label 1, or you can go in home and make it heading 1 also. It is the same. So I'll go in second page and I'll make the click insert as a second heading. So I'll go here and from add text I'll make it label 1, and I'll go in third pages and I'll make the 2 changes as a third heading. So I'll go to add text and I'll make it label 1. See, now there is 3 headings available inside my documents, right? So how can you make that one a table of contents? Just you have to go in table of contents and you have to choose which kind of styles you want. So there is automatic table 1, another is automatic table 2, another is manual table, but I'm choosing automatic table 2. Now see, there is the table of contents already completed, right? So you can also use this feature spaces to make table of content when you are typing a books. Now another option is update table available. So for this, just wait for a moment. I'll make another subtopic. So I'll go here, and from the text I'll make it label 2. Now see, there is another subtopic available, but inside my table contents there is no my subtopic, right? So if in that case I need to update table. So for this, just I need to go in update table and just go to update entire table and click in OK. Now see, my subtopic also available inside my table of contents. Sorry. Another option is insert footnote. From the insert footnote, you can put some note in the end of your page. Say if you want to put some notes, just wait for a moment. I'm typing hello, hi, thank you. So I am putting the note, a footnote in the end of my page, but the end note will go in the last of your document. See, I have 4 pages, and now my end note in my last pages. So from here I have to thank you, goodbye. I am using a end note in my document. Thank you, goodbye. So you can use a end note and footnote like this. And from the next footnote you can go from one footnote to another footnote, and from the show notes you can just you can choose you want to go in footnote or you want to go in note. You have to choose from here. And another options available is citations available. From the citations, just wait for a moment, you have to go in insert citations and just click in the add new source, and this window will pop up. You have to create a source. So from here you have to put author name. So I'm putting the page Rai, and you have to put the title of your book. I think I need to type sorry, computer, and which year. So I'm 2019, city Kathmandu, okay, and which publisher, Nepal Publishing House. So now I have creating a source. So after this, just you have to click in the OK. Now see, there is a citations available inside my document, and from the manage source you can manage it. There are lots of citations available, lots of source available. From here you can copy it, you can delete it, you can edit it, or you can make a new citation also from the source manager. And from the style you can give a different kind of styles to your source. See, there are lots of styles available. And from the bibliography you can make a reference. It's one of the amazing feature, right? If you want to create a reference, in that case you have to use this one. So from the bibliography you can use a reference, worksheet or bibliography. Lots of option available, but I'm choosing a reference. Now see, there is a reference available inside my document. Just wait for a moment. Whatever, yeah, see, you can also see here there is a reference available inside my document, right? Another option is captions available. How can you use the caption inside your documents? First of all, you have to insert an image. For this you have to go insert pictures and just insert pictures. So I'm going to insert local disk. Just wait for a minute. Select photo, and from here I'm inserting a photo. Just wait for a moment. See, there is a photo available inside my document, right? And if you want to tell something about the photo, in that case you have to go in reference, and just you have to click insert captions, and you have to click OK, and you can use a caption inside your to your photo. And for this, when you will use a caption inside your photo, you can use as a table of figure also. For this, just go to insert table of figures and click in OK. Now see, inside your table of contents there is a figure 1 table of contents available. It's inside of page number 1, right? You can also use insert caption. Another option is available cross reference. Before also we discussed about the cross reference. This is one of the amazing feature of Microsoft Word. From the cross reference you can use a different kind of a reference type. You can use headings, bookmarks, footnote, endnote, equations, figure, table. Lots of option available, but in this case I'm using figure.
and there is only one figure available inside my figure, only one figure one available, and so I'm inserting this one. And in my right side there is a insert reference to. What kind of reference you want to insert? See, you want to insert entire caption, or you want to only insert the label and number. So I'm using only label and number. Just click in the insert. Now see, just wait for a moment. What happened to my Microsoft Word? I think I put my cursor in wrong place. So I'm choosing only label and number. So I'm clicking in the inside. See, now my figure one is inside my document. So you can use the cross reference like this. Another option is mark entry available. So if you want to use your text, so if you want to mark, just you have to select and go to mark entry and mark it. Okay, so when you will mark your text, the show height option will be displayed inside your document. So if you want to disable this one, just go to home and just click inside the show height option. Now it's gone, right? So just wait for a minute. I'm making another words also. Just go to reference and go to in mark entry and make it mark. Now see, I have now two text are marked, right, successfully. So from here I'll disable the show height. So if you want to use that one is a index, in that case you have to go insert index and just click in the OK. Now see, and now there is two index available inside my document. Another device is inside the page number 2, and click insert also available in the page number 2. Another option is mark citations. So if you want to use your text as a table of contents, in that case you have to use this one. So first of all you have to select some text. I'm selecting different galleries, and from here you have to just mark it. So I'm marking this one. When you will mark your text, in that after this the show height will be again it will be open. So after this I'll mark another text also. Now see, there is two text available. One is different galleries, another is when you. So after this I'll go to home and I'll disable the show height, and I'll go in the table of contents. From the table of contents, if you want to use that one as a table of contents, just go to reference and just click in the insert table of authorities and click in the OK. Now see, the different galleries and when you is inside my table of contents. So you can also use this feature to make a different kind of table of contents. So it's one of the amazing features of Microsoft Word. Or you can also use this one when you are typing a book and you want to create a table of content or a reference. In that case you can use this one. Hoping you understand about the difference and how can you make the table of contents. Hoping you understand. If you have still confusion about my video, you can ask me in the comment sections. Don't hesitate to ask me. I'll try to give answer of your every questions. And you can check my previous video also if you don't know about how can you use home menu, insert menu, design menu and page layout. I have already uploaded that video in my YouTube channel. You can check my playlist also. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping you are liking my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video also. Thank you so much once again. Goodbye. See you again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you'll not get any kind of notification. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So today we'll discussing about the mailing menu. Before, we already uploaded the video about home menu, insert menu, design menu and page layout, and you can check that video also. If you have any kind of confusion about that my previous video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So inside mailing menu there are several sections available like before menus. The first section is create, and another section is start mail, merge, and another is write and insert fields, another is previous result, and finish. Each sections have different kind of tasks. So from the create you can make envelopes and labels, and so I'm making an envelope from here, and you can also create a sample of envelopes from here. So you have to put the delivery address from here, so I'm putting the address. So I'm writing the delivery address, sorry, Pokhara, Nepal. Okay, and Nita Lembo, and to return address I'm giving an address Dhankuta, Nepal. Sorry, Dhankuta, Nepal, and the base right. And after this you can customize this one from the option. Also you can change the font size from here, and you can customize the font from here. You can make it you can change the font style, size, and everything. So I'm making bold, and you can change the font also from here, and but it's okay for me, that's why and you can make it all caps also. Okay, and for the return address also you can set this one from here. So after this you have to click in OK, and you can see there is a little bit changes inside my delivery address, right? And in the return address there is no changes. And if you want to print this one you can directly click in the print, but if you want to add this envelope inside your document, then you have to click in the add to document, and from here you can create label also from here. Okay, but it's okay for me, but just I'm clicking creating envelopes, that's why it's okay for me, and I'm clicking in the add to document and just click in the yes. Now see there is a envelope inside my document. So if I make the zoom minus, see the envelope, the sample of envelope inside my document. Okay, so from here, from the label also you can create a label from here, and from here it's telling me that full page of the same label and single label. You can set this one is your requirement. Okay, it's okay for me. And another option is start mailing merge. It's one of the useful options of Microsoft Word. If you want to create the sample of letters, email messages, envelopes, labels directly, lots of options available. But if you want to create everything from one place, you have to use step-by-step mail merge wizard. Just click there, and when you will click there, in my right side there is a mail merge sections, and it's telling me that select document type, and just wait for a moment. There are several options available. One is letters, email messages, envelopes, labels directly. And if you want to create the sample of letters, you have to choose letters. If you want to create the sample of email messages, you have to choose email messages. And for envelopes also you already created, right? And for the directory you can create directory also from here, but it's okay for me, that's why you have to click next. And see there is 3 options available. One is use the current document, another second option is start from a template, and the third option is start from existing document. If you want to use the current document as a sample, you can use you can choose the first option. And if you want to use the template of the Microsoft Word, in that case you have to choose start from template. And if you want to use the existing document, and you can use start from existing document. Okay, so but I'm choosing the start from template, and from the select template you can choose different kind of templates. See there are lots template available. You can choose a general sample also, or you can choose access database template also. There is letters samples available, other documents, reports, resume, lots options available. If you want to create a CV or curriculum vitae also, you can make from the resume. There are 3 sample available. Okay, But in this case, see, there are lots of letters samples available, but I think I need to use this one, so I'm using the essential letters sample. See, in my right side there is a preview also. You can also see essential report. If you are making a report, you can use this sample. And see, there are lots of options available, but I'm choosing the origin letters. And after this, just you have to click in the OK. Now see, inside my document there is a sample of a letter, and from here you can type the sender title, you can type the sender company name, and you can use the date also, and you can type something here, and you can type the salutation also here, and you can put here recipient name, and lots of options available here. Okay, and see, and from here, sorry, from the use the correct document, there are 6 steps, but I think it's enough for us. But if you want to go more, see, there is another option, select recipient options. It's telling me that use an existing list. If you have already created a list, then in that case you can use this one. And if you want to use Outlook contacts, in that case you can use this one. But for this you have to need internet connection, and you can create a new list also. From the create, there is a wizard, and from here you can fill this form and you can create a new list also. But I think it's not useful for us. If you want to send email, in that case you should not do like this. You can directly use outlook.com or gmail.com or yahoo.com. It's your choice. But if you want to create the sample of your letters and resume or everything, in that case you have to use this mailing options. So thank you so much for watching this video, hoping you understand about mailing, and if you have any kind of confusions, in that case you can ask me in the comment sections. And hoping you understand about the mailing and start mailing more sections. So if you have any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. So I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So without any late, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want more updates from my YouTube channel, you have to press in the bell icon also. Okay, so I think you are enjoying my video series on Microsoft Word. If you don't know about my video series of Microsoft Word, you can check my playlist also. So hoping you will check that playlist, and if you are a beginner in Microsoft Word, it will be very useful for you also. And you can share this video to your family and friends also, if they are also learning Microsoft Word. In that case, it will be very helpful to them also. So before we discuss about file, home, insert, design, page layout, and reference menu, but today we are discussing about review menu. It's one of the useful options to us also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So inside the review menu, there are lots of options available. You can also see there are proofing, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect sections available. But I'm starting from the proofing menu, proofing sections, and inside the proofing section there is 4 options available. So I'm typing something here, where, okay, the mind is broken into many pieces. Okay, so I have typed something inside my document, and from the spelling and grammar you can check your spelling and grammar of your document. So you can see the THA is misspelled, and that's why it's telling me that it is the wrong spelling. That's why I need to change this one. So from the suggestion, you can see there are lots of suggestions available, but I need to choose the THE. That's why after selecting that words, you have to click in the change. See, now you can see there is a where also spelling mistake, sorry, it means grammar mistakes. So for this I need to change this one. Now see, the PC is also mistake because the full stop it should not be like this, and I need to change this one. Now it's perfect for me. So you can also check spelling grammar using the spelling grammar, or directly you can press F7 also. Is the shortcut key of spelling and grammar. Another option is define. From the define you can use you can search lots of things about the words. See, you can see there are lots of dictionary available. You can use the Francis dictionary. You can you can download the English dictionary, and it's free also from the download. If you try to download this one, and just wait for a moment, but for this you need an internet connection, right? If you don't have the internet connection, it will take too much long time. It depends on your internet connection. It's telling me that it's loading my English dictionary, and from here you can search about the words. Just wait for a moment. It's telling me that please select a word to look up. If I select this one, and see, it's telling me we couldn't find definition for pieces. And if I try to select this one, maybe it will broken. It's also giving me something about this. See, this one is physically and forcibly separated into pieces, cracked or split. It's telling me the definition. Okay, so if you want to also define, sorry, if you want to also know about any kind of words, in that case you can use the define options. Another option is thesaurus available. Thesaurus is one of the useful option of Microsoft Word. From the thesaurus you can search synonyms. So if I want to search computer, just wait for a moment, it will show me. Just you have to press enter. Now see, there are lots of options available which is related with the computer, processor, CPU, mainframe, supercomputer, workstation, and lots of options available. So it's also one of the useful options. And another option available, translate. If you want to translate your document into another language, in that case it will be very useful. See, from the translate you can there are lots of options available maybe. So if you want to translate this one in the wait, there are lots of options also available. If you want to translate this one in Hindi, what happened? Okay, send. Maybe it's sending to the server, and it's maybe translating. Wait the mic. Now see, it's translating in the Afghans, and there are lots of options available. But for this you need an internet connection, right? If you don't have the internet connection, it will not work. If you want to translate this one in the Italian, just translate. Just wait for a moment. What happened? Yeah, you can also use this one, and it's one of the amazing feature, but you need internet connection. Without internet connection you cannot translate your language. And from the language you can set your favorite language from here. Now see, there are lots of language available, but it's okay for us. And if you want to change, if you want to use your Microsoft in your favorite language, in that case you have to choose language. Sorry. And another option available, new comment. If you are working in the group, and in that case you can use new comment. Before also we discussed about the comment in the insert menu. See, there also comment available, but today also I am repeating this one. So if you want to use some comment, first of all I'll copy it. Okay, if you want to use the comment, in that case you have to click in the new comment, and from here you can give some comment. Okay, and if I want to once more, I will give another comment also, and from here I'll give another comment, right? And if you want to delete that comment, you can use this feature, delete. And if you want to go previous, next, if you want to go in the from one comment to another comment. In that case you can use previous and next. And another option, show comments. If you want to show them or if you want to hide them, you can use this one. And another option available, track changes. If you want to track your formatting, in that case you can use the track changes. First of all, you have to make it on, and after this just wait. I will select some words and I will increase the size of this. See, my Microsoft Word is tracking, so if I make it bold also it will track. Now see, my track changes is tracking my formatting process. So from here now see, there is only simple markup, but if you want to see all markup you can choose these options. Now see, there are four markup and it's showing. And from here, if you want to don't want to show the markup, you have to choose no markup, but still there is a markup, right? But if you want to see your original document, you can choose these options from original. And from the show markup also, there are lots of options available. One is comments, one is and another is ink, another is insertion and deletions, and another is formatting. And from here you can also customize this one. From the comment, see, there are, if you want to disable that one, just you have to click in the comments and you can disable that one. And from the reviewing pane you can see how many formatting you are using. And from here, from the accept and reject available. If you want to accept that comments, it will not be removed, but if you reject this one, it will be removed, right? But if you want to in the formatting, if you want to if you accept this one, it will be removed, but it will work like the opposite things. And another option, previous next, is the same like before. And another option is compare. If you want to compare two documents, in that case you can use this one. So just wait for a minute, I'm comparing two documents here. I think there is a document here, so from here I'm choosing this one, Bermuda. Another document also I am using this one here. Just wait for a moment. And I think I need to use this one, CSS code border. Okay, now see, there are two documents available inside my compare documents window, and just you have to click in the OK. Now see, it will start to compare, right? So it's already compared that document. And I think if you want to compare this one, it will be useful, but I think it is not very useful options to us also. And other options available, combine. If you want to combine two documents, in that case you have to use combine. And from here you have to choose one document. First of all, I will select this one and open, and just I'll go in another document also, and from here I'll select another document. Now see there, I need to choose another. Now see, there is two documents available inside my combined documents, and after this you have to click in the OK. Now see, my two documents is combined. And I think it is if you want to combine your two documents, in that case you can use this one. So another option is Rustic Editing. It is one of the most important features of Microsoft Word. So when you are working in important document, in that case sometime if you have if you have some other work, in that case you can use the password in the document. Just you have to go in Rustic Editing, and in that and after that you have to tick in every box. Just wait for a moment, I am giving a tick, and after this you have to click in the yes, start in browsing protection, and it's asking us the password. So I am giving the password 123, and here also I'll give the password 123, and after this just click in the OK. Now see, there is a password. If somebody want to delete this one, it will not work because there is a password, right? So it's one of the useful options for us also. If you are working in very important document, in that case it will be very useful. And if you want to remove that protection, just go to any stop protection, and from here you have to use the password and 123 and just remove all the ticks from here also and make it no. Okay, now it's done. So hoping you understand about the review menu also, and if you have any kind of confusion about review menu, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are beginner in Microsoft Word, you can check my previous video also, which is related with Microsoft Word. You can check my playlist also to know about more Microsoft Word. So thank you so much for once again, and I'll meet with you on another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and you have to press in the bell icon. So guys, if you want to know about Microsoft Word, you can check my playlist also, and you can check my previous video. And hoping if you have any kind of confusions, you can ask me in the comment section in my previous video, and I'll try to give a response in each questions, but as possible I'll try to give answer. Okay, so before we discuss about the home, insert, design, page layout, and reference, mailing, review menu, but today we are discussing about our last menu, view. So inside view there are lots section available. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So you can see there are lots section available inside our view menu. You can see there is view sections, another is show section, another zoom, window, and macros also available. So the first section is one of the useful options. See there are lots of view mode. So from the read mode, you can see this one in the read mode. See now our document in full screen. Just press the escape, and from here and another view mode is web layout. You can see in a web layout mode also. You can see this one outline mode also, and you can see this one in the draft also. But if you want to work, just you have to use print layout. Okay, another option is ruler. If you want to show the ruler bar, in that case you have to use this one. See now there is a ruler bar available, 1 2 3 4 5, and in my left side also there is a ruler bar. But if you want to remove the ruler bar, you have to remove the trick also. If you want to show the grid lines inside your document, in that case you have to select the grid lines. Now see inside my document there is a grid lines, and if you want to remove that one, just you have to select that one. Sorry, you have to remove that one. And if you want to show the navigation pane, you have to select this one. Now see in my left side there is a navigation pane, and from here you can find your words. Just wait for a moment, I am searching the help. Sorry, now see there is a it's showing me that there is 3 help available inside my document. And you can also use this one. Before also we discussed about inside in the find menu. So another option available is zoom, and from the zoom you can make a zoom plus or zoom minus. Now see we are in the 100%, right? Now if you make it 10%, you can see it will be go in 10%. But if you want to increase this one, you can make it 100%. And if you want to make it in the one page, or you want to see in the 2 page, multiple page, you can choose the one, or you can see in the page width also. It's depend on your tags. And another option is new window. If you want to if you want same data in another document, and if you want to duplicate, in that case you want to click in the new window. Now see there is a document 8:2. Okay, so now see, and from the view, another option is arrange all. Now see there are lots document in my inside my document. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 documents available inside my document, and from here you can use this one. You can arrange your document. From the split, you can split your document. Okay, where you want to split, just you have to drag this one. Okay, And if you want to remove a split, just you have to click this one. And if you want to view side by side, in that case you have to click here and just wait for a moment. Just to click here. Now see my two documents in my side by side. And another option is switch windows. See, now there is 6 document available inside my document. And now see, if now I am in the 6 number document, and if you want to go in the 5 number document, just you have to select that one and it will be pop up here. So another option is macros. It is the one of the useful options of Microsoft Word. If you want to use macro, first of all you have to record macro. Just go to in record macro, and from here you have to put the name. So I am giving this one as the page trial. Okay, and you have to choose the keyboard. Okay, sorry, it's telling me that invalid, so I'm giving this one DDD, and I'm clicking the keyboard. And from here it's telling me that press new shortcut key, so I'm pressing Ctrl plus Shift, and you have to press, okay, just you have to choose as per your requirement. So I am choosing this time Ctrl Shift plus U. So if I press Ctrl plus Shift plus U, and after this you have to click in the assign. Now see, it start to record. If I try to hello, hi, namaste, now see it's recording, right? And I need to go in macro and stop recording. And if I want to use that macro, just I have to use Ctrl Shift plus U, because before we created that shortcut when we are recording the macro, right? So I am pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus U. Now see, boom, now our macro is working. So you can also use the macro to speed up your work. So hoping you understand about the macro also. And if you have any kind of confusion about the view menu, you can ask me in the comment sections. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hoping you are enjoying my video series on Microsoft Word. And thank you so much for watching this video once again. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.